Okay, so I had to go back inside and get the camera, the phone. I was gonna make a video, but decided not to earlier. And stand by while I put my glove on. Okay, so I was gonna make a video earlier and then decided not to, but oh my gosh, I wish I had, because shit was totally hitting the fan. The wind was blowing like 60, 70 miles an hour, blowing snow, total whiteout conditions. It was a blizzard. But if you look to the west, that's the end of it right there. You can see the sun. It was sunny in Rapid City an hour ago, so you know the storm is moving. It's moving east. But I want to show you the horse. Oh my gosh, I have never seen him look like this. Like, the temperature is not that bad. But this is nothing compared to his 15 minutes ago. I've never seen him like this. He looks absolutely horrible, miserable. Although he's not miserable, the chickens aren't miserable either. They're, you know, doing good. They're out of the wind, but he is just covered up in snow. And when I came home, like an hour and a half ago, maybe not even that, maybe an hour ago, he looked great standing here behind the shed. And then when I came out to feed him, he just looked absolutely awful. Look at him. And now he's kind of spooky, but he doesn't look nearly like, because I brushed his face off, he was totally covered in snow. His whole face was covered in snow, blowing snow. But he's a good boy. He's got nice fur. He eats really well, so he's happy. But maybe I shouldn't brush this snow off, and maybe that's insulating. But there's no, it's not wet any longer. So maybe I should have left it on there. I don't know. Maybe I made a mistake. But anyway, this is Aurorian. He's totally covered in snow. He's eating his grain ration for the evening. He is not happy. Yeah, he is happy. I love you, buddy. Oh my God, what a good boy. That is like the best horse in the world. But this is South Dakota. This is how shit hits the fan in South Dakota, you know, with the weather. And this is shit hitting the fan with horses in South Dakota. With my best friend, Aurorian, right here. I love this guy. He is so good. He is 100. I give him 100. He gives me 100. And I don't know if you'll hear the audio on this, because, you know, it's muffled. I got a face mask on. But anyway, my best friend in the world right here, Aurorian. South Dakota signing off. Bye-bye.